Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the instruction set architecture ISA. ISA is an interface between the software and hardware. It defines how a processor understands and executes the instruction. In this presentation, I will briefly explain that what is an ISA and difference between the RISC and CISC and the key components of ISA and why is ISA important. Instruction set architecture is a set of rules that defines how the software communicates with the processor. Mainly, it specifies the instructions of the CPU can execute and register used by the processor, memory access methods, and data types and input and output operations. ISA act as a contract between the software and the hardware. The programmers develop the software according to the ISA, while processor manufacture the design hardware to support it. Some common examples are x86, ARM, MIPS, and RISC-V. Now let us compare RISC and CISC. RISC reduce instruction set computer use a small number of simple instruction. Most instruction execute in a single clock cycle, making the processor faster and more efficient. For example, ARM and RISC-V. CISC a complex instruction set computer uses a many complex instruction. A single instruction can perform a multiple operation and reducing the number of instructions in a programmer, but often requiring a more clock cycle times. The most common example is x86. Today, modern processor combines the feature of both RISC and CISC to improve the performance. The main five components of the ISA are instruction format, which defines the structure of the instruction, addressing mode, which specifies how the operands can access and register, which are the high-speed storage location inside the CPU, memory model, which explains how data is read from and write return to the memory. Finally, the instruction types such as arithmetic and logical data and data transfer and control instruction. These are the components help the processor execute the program correctly and efficiently. ISA importance because it is a ensure the software portability, allowing the programs to run on a processor with the same ISA. It also influences the processor performance and support compiler design and play a vital role in a operating system and embedded system. The main point is important modern ISA is a RISC-V, which is open source and widely used in education and research. This is the final construction of the instruction of the set architecture. Finally, I hope you have understand this concept. Thank you.